Hello viewers, today I discuss the single phase automatic water pump on off. Let's go start. First, water level controller. Second, 2-pin plug or single phase 1 horse motor or water tank or 2-pin negative or positive line connection controller level or controller to output the positive line or negative line to single phase motor or control cable the water tank one position, second position or third position cable connection. Automatic control the water tank load, unload, overload, control water. Automatic on off motor. Thank you.